Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's been on many of your minds: how to earn $100 a day online. Stick around as we explore some quick and easy methods to make that happen. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our latest money-making tips. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. First on the list is freelancing, a versatile gateway to earning online. Whether you're a wordsmith, a creative designer, or possess any other marketable skill, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr open the door to a multitude of opportunities. Crafting a stellar profile is your first step. It's your digital resume, your virtual storefront. Showcase your skills, highlight your past accomplishments, and let potential clients see the value you bring to the table. But remember, success in freelancing is not just about setting up a profile, it's about actively engaging in the marketplace. Dive into the listings, explore various projects, and don't be afraid to bid on those that align with your expertise. Treat each bid as an opportunity to showcase your passion and dedication. 2. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's delve deeper into the captivating world of passive income through affiliate marketing. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and scalability. By partnering with companies whose products resonate with you, you're not just a marketer, you become a trusted advocate for quality. Creating a successful affiliate marketing strategy begins with understanding your audience. Tailor your promotions to align with their needs and interests, ensuring that the products you endorse seamlessly fit into their lives. Authenticity is key. The more genuine your recommendations, the more likely your audience is to trust your suggestions. When it comes to promoting products, think beyond a mere sales pitch. Craft engaging content that highlights the benefits and features of the products you're endorsing. Share personal experiences and anecdotes to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about building relationships and becoming a valuable resource for your community. Number 3. Selling digital products. Now, let's explore the exciting realm of selling digital products, a path that transforms your expertise into a sustainable income source. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad act as your digital storefronts, offering user-friendly spaces to showcase and sell your creations. Whether it's ebooks, printables, or online courses, these platforms provide a global marketplace for your unique offerings. Creating your digital product is just the beginning. Craft compelling descriptions, design eye-catching cover art, and leverage social media to drive traffic to your storefront. Think of it as curating an online gallery that reflects your skills and resonates with your target audience. What sets selling digital products apart is the ability to enjoy a continuous stream of passive income. Once your product is live, it becomes an evergreen asset, available for purchase 24/7. Number 4. Social media management. Last but certainly not least, let's deep dive into the dynamic world of social media management. In an era where an online presence is non-negotiable for businesses, many find themselves grappling with the intricacies of maintaining an engaging and consistent brand image across platforms. This is where your expertise becomes invaluable. As a social media manager, you act as the digital architect for businesses striving to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of Facebook, Instagram, and beyond. Offer your services as the bridge between businesses and their target audience, curating content that resonates, engages, and drives meaningful interactions. Remember, building a robust social media presence for businesses takes time, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As you contribute to their success, you'll find your income growing alongside it. So, which method are you most excited to try? Is it freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or social media management? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable money-making tips. Until next time, happy earning and crafting that digital success story.